It's the one and only MK Zeus, and today is day 3 of Project Rally. We've gutted out the trunk, we've gutted out the back seat. I'm going to take out the driver's seat next, and I also went ahead and took out the headliner. And like going down here, that just pops off. What I'm going to be doing is something that is really like easy for you to do. I'm just going to cut that and pull it on out. That way I don't have to take this whole thing on and off right here. So we're going to get started. I'm going to take out the driver's seat and we should be able to take this whole carpet out. No more carpet, no more anything in here. This is all of it, and it's gross as heck to even look. Who is you? I didn't even know you were there. But alright, do your thing. So, there you have it, everyone. MKZ, completely stripped out. We're going to move on to the next part, just getting rid of this soundproof in here. So I'm thinking about either doing dry ice or acetone. You know, either one really works for me, but we're going to try for the dry ice first. Well, that'll do it for today, and I'll see you all next time. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and all that other hoopla stuff.